Did you know that 5 simple exercises can drastically change how your body looks and feels? Let's jump right in with our first exercise, the dead hang. You've probably seen people in the gym just hanging from a bar with no movement and wondered, how is this even helpful? Well, this simple movement is one of the most effective ways to improve your shoulder health, decompress your spine, and strengthen your grip. Don't worry if you don't have access to a gym. You can easily use a cheap doorway pull bar at home. If you sit a lot throughout the day, you'll definitely want to learn the correct way to hang. Here's how. Find a pull-up bar or sturdy overhead structure. Grip the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and let your body hang naturally. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your core engaged. Try to hold this for 20 to 30 seconds to start, then gradually work up to 1 or 2 minutes. Trust me, if you've never done it before, it's not as easy as it looks. Start with shorter holds. Now that we've loosened up the shoulders and strengthened your grip, let's shift focus to the lower body and core with the glute bridge. This exercise is great for building glute strength, improving core stability, and easing tight hip flexors, areas often overlooked in men's workout routines. By targeting the glute muscles, it helps stabilize your pelvis and supports your lower back, making everyday movements like walking, climbing stairs, or lifting heavy objects more effortless and pain-free. If physical activity feels challenging or you've experienced lower back tension, the glute bridge is a must-have in your routine. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, hip-width apart. Press through your heels as you lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top. Keep your core tight throughout the movement. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly lower yourself back down. After a couple of sets, you'll feel your lower back light up. If it's too easy, try a single leg variation or add weight across your hips. Next up is the farmer carry. At first glance, it may look like just walking with weights, but this movement provides a full body workout. It builds shoulder girdle muscles, strengthens your grip, stabilizes your core, and enhances balance and coordination. It also challenges your posture as you resist the weights trying to tip you off balance. This exercise mimics real-life activities like carrying groceries or hauling luggage, making these tasks easier while reducing injury risk. To perform it, grab a pair of dumbbells, kettlebells, or any heavy objects you can hold securely. Start with a manageable weight and gradually increase as your strength improves. Stand tall with shoulders back, chest up, and core engaged. Walk forward slowly and deliberately, maintaining a stable, upright posture. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds per carry, increasing weight or duration as you grow stronger. Now let's dive into the resting squat, a restorative and foundational movement for the human body. Due to modern lifestyles, long hours sitting, tight hips, and reduced lower body strength, many people struggle to get into or hold this position. This exercise builds leg and core strength while improving ankle, hip, and knee mobility. It's helpful for tasks like bending down, gardening, or sitting comfortably on the floor. If you've ever struggled to squat without tightness or imbalance, this movement is essential. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart and toes slightly turned out. Slowly sink into a deep squat, keeping your heels flat, chest upright, and back neutral. Aim to hold for 20 to 30 seconds at first, gradually increasing to 1 or 2 minutes. If balance is a challenge, hold onto a sturdy object for stability. Finally, we have thread the needle, a rotational movement targeting the thoracic spine, shoulders, and upper back. This exercise improves flexibility, reduces tension, and increases rotational mobility, which is crucial for functional fitness. If you sit at a desk for long hours or feel tightness in your upper back, this exercise is a must. Start on all fours with hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Reach one arm underneath your body, threading it through the space between your opposite arm and leg. Rotate your torso as you follow your arm with your eyes. Extend the arm as far as possible, hold for a moment, then thread it back through and reach up to the sky. Focus on slow, deliberate movements to maximize the stretch. For added challenge, hold a light resistance band or weight. Now, let's combine these exercises into a quick, effective workout you can do 3 times a week. Start with the dead hang for 3 sets of 30 seconds. Build up to 1 or 2 minutes over time. Next, do 2 sets of 10 to 15 glute bridges. Then, perform 3 rounds of the farmer carry, walking for 30 to 60 seconds. Follow this with 2 sets of 10 thread-the-needle repetitions per side. Finally, hold the resting squat for 20 to 30 seconds, 2 to 3 rounds. Rest for about a minute between sets. In total, this workout takes about 20 minutes and addresses strength, mobility, and flexibility. Consistently doing this routine 3 times a week will yield noticeable results.